Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Harvey from Black Forex Traders. So I'm back with another weekend market analysis video. So today I'll be analyzing pairs and US30 and Nasdaq. So yeah, let's start with Euro USD on the screen now. You can see that Euro USD has been going down ever since they respected this previous high here. They've been going down, going down, going down. So I'll be looking for sell opportunities and see until I see a substantial reversal of an uptrend. So I'm gonna be looking at this level here. This 4-hour time frame. I'm gonna do a scale down. Okay, let me go to 2-hour time frame first. You can see I have a drop base drop. Then let's go to 1 hour. On 1 hour, I'm gonna be focusing on this doji candlestick here. Then if I go, let me zoom it in like this. Then you can see it has been a downtrend. Then my anticipation on Euro USD is for them to come to this level before they continue with their downtrend movement. For them to just make a small movement to the upside, revise a pattern, and continue with their downtrend. So this will be what I'll be looking for on Euro USD, something like this. So this will be what I'll be looking for. So let's move on to GBP USD. Okay, GBP USD on Friday. This is where we sold. This is where we sold. This is where we sold on Friday. We took a sell here. Then, but now I'm not gonna be focusing on that. Let's zoom it out. I want to focus on this part because I'm still looking for sell. As you can see, I took a sell here. This means I'm still looking for sell until I see a reversal movement that I can tell that the market is going up. But for now, I'm going to be focusing on supply levels. I'm going to be looking for my supply level until I see some substantial movement to the upside. So now this is my supply level here. Same thing that happened in Euro USD, same thing here. Looking forward for sell. Still looking for sell. This is my trade idea for next week. This is still my trade idea, just a small pullback, then we continue with the downtrend. So let's go to gold. Okay, gold, if you remember on the last video, I talked about this sell here. I analyzed this sell here. As you can see, the sell was very huge. They even broke the trend line here. They broke the trend line. They continued to go down. Then they made this ranging movement on Friday. So you can see I'm gonna be focusing on this part here. So you can see here we have what our supply. This is our supply level here. Then we have this kind of channel here. Go to 1 hour time frame. So same thing here. I'm going to be looking for a sell, but from this point here. So I'm anticipating them to come to this level here. I'm not saying I'm 100% they're going to come here. That's just my anticipation that they should come to that level. But for now, this is what I'll be looking for. This is the movement that I'll be looking for on gold, something like this. So this is my setup for next week, just a continuation channel here plus supply level here, then we drop to the downside. So let's move AUD USD. Okay, AUD USD, on this one I'm looking for a demand zone here. So I'm using this demand zone here. I'm using this one. So this is what I'll be looking for. So as you can see, the similar pattern here that happened on Euro USD, same thing. So, but if they give me a sell opportunity, I'm gonna take it down. But for me now, I'm only focused on the buy side. I'm ready for them to come to this level. Then if they break this level here, then I'm gonna use this demand here. But for now, I'm only focusing on this first demand here. Then I'm gonna buy them here. Then let's go to Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq on Friday, it dropped really hard here. It dropped really hard. So as you can see, they made a drop, small pullback, and then another drop. So that's more like a continuation pattern. So for me, I'm gonna highlight my supply level, which is this level here. Then if you remember on the last video, I talked about this supply here, so this demand here. But for me, I'm not gonna trade this one here. I'm not sure that when the market opens, they're gonna respect this one here, or they can just push down. But for me, I think yes, they can just break a little bit to the downside, then they start going up. But if they give me the buy opportunity, I'm gonna take it until I reach the supply. Then from there, I'm gonna do what? I'm gonna look for my sell that I've been waiting for. So this will be my trade idea for next week. Yes, they can respect this level, or they can just come to this level here. They can push it to this level. Then from this level, they start going up back to this level here. Then they go down. Remember, this analysis, they are not for Monday only. They are for the whole week. So they can take the 3 days here. Then maybe take 3 days to reach this level here. Then they go down. So you just have to keep an eye on the setup that you have. So let's kick it to US30. US30 is similar pattern, drop, base drop, similar pattern on Friday. So the same thing, looking for sell. So you're just gonna wait for the market to come to this level here. We do it like this. Just gonna wait for them to come to this level, because again, if I can go to a higher time frame, you can see that they're still in a downtrend here. So until anticipating until this demand zone here is the one that I'll be looking for them to do, what to start maybe buying a little bit. But for now, if they can make a small pullback to this level, then they do want to continue going down. So let's go to Euro GBP. Euro GBP, same thing. This analysis I made it last week. I didn't take the sell. I didn't sell this one. I'm looking for a buy here. So this is the same thing. I didn't change anything on this pair. I'm still waiting for them to reach this demand zone. Then I'm gonna take my buy. So let's check this last two here. Okay, this is the JPY. You can see it has been in a ranging mode, because the first supply that I drew was this one here. Then I took the sell on this one. This one I didn't take the sell. I took the sell here. I took them down because this was my supply level here. Then now you can see that they are just going up and down, up and down, up and down. Then for me, on a smaller time frame, intraday trade, this will be my supply level here. This will be my supply level. Sorry about that. So I'll be looking for a sell here. I'll be looking for a sell like this. This will be the setup for me on the trading ID for me on USD JPY for next week. Then let's end up on NZD JPY. Okay, on Friday NZD JPY reached my supply level here. They respected it, meaning that they are going down. So I'm looking for a continuation pattern here. Then you can see we have a drop, base drop. So this is my base here. Then let's go to 15, same thing. Then meaning that I'm still looking for what? for sell. Same thing here. So most of the pairs that end up with USD, I'm looking for sell. Also on this one end up with NZD still I'm looking for what, for a sell. So this is all for today, guys, and this is all I wanted to share with you. I hope this helps you. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, can you please subscribe?